All right, let's get right into it. We're talking about something absolutely critical for every single truck driver on the road. A massive gap in insurance that honestly most people find out about when it's way, way too late. This one little detail can be the difference between a bad day and a financial nightmare.
And this is where it gets really interesting. They call it a secret, right? But it's not some complicated fine print. It's actually a huge common misunderstanding across the industry, an assumption people make every day that can have absolutely devastating consequences after an accident.
And there it is, the single most dangerous assumption you can make. It sounds perfectly logical, doesn't it? You pay for truck insurance, so if you get into a wreck, you figure you're covered for, well, everything that happened. But that simple idea completely misses one huge part of your job.
This is the question that changes the whole game. An accident isn't just about the truck. The stuff you're hauling, a load of brand new TVs, expensive medicine, you name it, that can be worth so much more than the rig itself. So when all that cargo gets wrecked, who's paying for it?
Okay, so let's break this down because this is super important. Your standard truck insurance policy, that's there to fix or replace your truck. Simple. But the load in the back, that's a totally different ballgame, a whole other risk. Think about it. Your truck has a pretty stable value, but the cargo, that could be worth a few $1,000s one day and hundreds of thousands the next. That's exactly why they need two totally separate policies.
So here's the bottom line. Cargo insurance is not some optional extra. For pretty much everyone, it's a required, separate policy. It's the only thing standing between you and a gigantic bill for all those lost goods. If you don't have it, you are on the hook, personally, for the full value of that entire load.
You know, it's one thing to learn about this sitting here calmly, but for way too many drivers, this lesson comes with a massive price tag, right in the middle of the chaos after a crash. And by then, it's way too late to do anything about it. That's what we mean by learning it the hard way.
And this isn't just a few isolated cases we're talking about here. That number, that's the scale of this problem. We're talking about a massive, widespread issue that hits a huge number of drivers who thought they were absolutely sure they were fully protected. This really says it all, doesn't it? Just imagine it for a second. You get through an accident, you're okay, and just as you start to feel relieved, you get slapped with a bill for $100,000 for the cargo. And your truck insurance, they won't touch it. For an owner-operator, that's not just a bad day. That can be the end of your entire business. That's learning it the hard way. And that really brings us to the whole point of this. After seeing all of this, the question isn't for somebody else. It's for you, right now. Did you know about this critical difference? Are you 100% positive you have a separate cargo policy? If there's any doubt in your mind at all, the very next call you make needs to be to your insurance agent. Because knowing this stuff now could literally save everything.